the Chamber of Commerce and Industry, we are the one who issues the certificate of origin, the ordinary certificate of origin, which we have been doing manually, meaning it could take 7 days or thereabouts to process because of the intensity and the workload. But we're now issuing them digitally or through digital means, and I can tell you that that has really decreased. Within 20 minutes or thereabouts, you are able to register, you are able to process, and within an hour or thereabouts, you get your certificate of origin. Unless there are some other countries whereby they require a stamped copy of the certificate of origin. Those are the ones that I can say that maybe they may take a day for us to get the certificate of origin ready. But in that in itself, we've really enhanced the service delivery. Something else that we did as a chamber is we, during the pandemic, when it really hit, we really had discussions with the government, and we waived the fees for tea exports, which we was to be in operation for a year. And even if it now reverts back to the same, is because the sector has now come back and it's now not it's not fighting or struggling the way it was. And that was very key because it was sensitive to our members and they were able to get the services, but we did not charge them any of the fee that they were paying earlier. Well, those are some of the incentives. But of course, in order for us to also enhance ease of doing business, we've been advocating against double taxation as a chamber. We have also been at the forefront enhancing or discussing with the government about infrastructural development, whereby movement of goods from the port of Mombasa all the way to the Western and even to other East African countries and Central African countries has really been enhanced. And that is also because of our intervention as the Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry. And lastly, maybe what I could say is that we have also been advocating for favorable position for startups. That has been our really niche as a business membership organization, because as I've told you, 80% of our members are micro and small enterprises, and most of those are startups. And most of those startups, maybe during the pandemic, were not able actually to really survive. And that's why we worked with some agencies and some donors who gave us some fund to really give to the startups and the micro enterprises to cushion them during the pandemic. And it was a revolving fund, which was to the tune of 500 million Kenyan shillings. So that was our role to really ensure that our MSMEs and our members largely did not suffer during the pandemic. Thank you.